AWCO grinding points from Joki are ideal for machining hard materials such as titanium, hardened steel, as well as nickel and cobalt alloys. They are also very suitable for post-processing weld seams. The special grinding pins consist of a mixture of white corundum and blue ceramic sintered corundum, which is ceramically bonded. This recipe results in high stock removal combined with excellent service life. In addition, the self-sharpening effect of the sintered corundum ensures that consistently constant removal rates can be achieved. The cool grinding, which is achieved due to the high splintering properties of the mixture, also offers clear advantages. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.